many people ask me how I style my slick back bun, so I'm going to show you. This is what we're starting with. It is wild, and I have a full head of extensions, so there's that. So first things first, I have really curly hair naturally, so if anything around my hairline was like extremely curly, I would go ahead and straighten it, but honestly, since I wore a slick back bun yesterday, it's pretty straight already, which is lovely. So it's really not difficult. I'm taking a leave-in. I'm using the Hair Alchemy leave-in. It's very light because I'm going to be using a pretty strong hold gel in addition. So I'm mixing 2 of those. If you don't have these things, just any gel will work, or any like blowout cream with like any sort of hold. So I'm literally just going to be working it through the front of my face basically. I'm gonna brush it through and make sure I have a nice straight part. Nope. It's honestly like the hardest part is finding a straight part. And that is so wrong. Okay, there we go. A nice straight part down the middle. It's already looking nice. I'm just gonna start brushing it back. I like to put this area down instead of back is what I mean. You can see it's already just like doing what I want it to do. Other side, again, this area, I go down instead of straight back. It's honestly pretty good. If you feel any bumps, I mean, it's not the end of the world. I'm going for like good enough, you know? Okay. So once I have that, I got these hair ties from Target. I think they're that, I don't know what brand they are, Goody maybe? I don't know. But they are great for people with really thick hair. So I'm just doing a pony. Like so. It's kind of the foundation of our slick back bun. So now, I'm gonna take a little bit of the leave-in, kind of work it down my ponytail so it's a little bit more sleek. Take it, twist it a little. Just wrap it. Pretty good. Sometimes I have to do that like 2 or 3 times. So if you don't get it right on the first time, do not feel bad. Great. I usually like to take the little end pieces and kind of spike them out a little bit. Like that. Just take a hairspray. Any hairspray will do. Wait, it's not hairspray. Okay, well, I didn't grab a hairspray. So I got an actual hairspray and get everywhere to make that really sharp, behind the ear really nice and sharp, and then usually back here gets a little bit wonky, and then you can really spike out these ends.